How to access Snapchat settings. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to talk about accessing Snapchat settings. For that, you need to have the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device. Simply launch it and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account as well. Now once you open the Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji or the profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right. This will let you view the settings menu. Here you can change your privacy options, notification preferences, account information, and more. Talking about Snapchat Web does not have a complete settings menu like the mobile app. To adjust most settings, you need to use the mobile app or contact the Snapchat support online. Another way you can access the other Snapchat settings is you can tap and hold on to this, tap on the eye icon to go to its app info. And from here, you can adjust the permissions, fix the notifications, your screen time, your source of data, storage, clearing the cache, and all. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and access the Snapchat settings on your phone. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.